Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Spin. Spin around in a circle.
Spin around in a circle.
Play. Play a fun game with your friends.
Play a fun game with your friends.
Smile. Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera.
Help. Do you help Mom bake cookies?
Do you help Mom bake cookies?
Cook. She cooks dinner for her family every evening.
She cooks dinner for her family every evening.
Eat. Eat your veggies to stay healthy.
Eat your veggies to stay healthy.
Drink. Drink water to stay hydrated.
Drink water to stay hydrated.
Speak. Speak clearly so everyone can hear.
Speak clearly so everyone can hear.
Rest. Rest after playing hard.
Rest after playing hard.
Sleep. It's time to sleep and dream.
It's time to sleep and dream.
Wake. Wake up and start the day.
Wake up and start the day.
Wash. Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Brush. Brush your teeth twice a day.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Hug. Give your family a big hug.
Give your family a big hug.
Kiss. Blow a kiss to your parents.
Blow a kiss to your parents.
Bounce. Bounce the ball on the ground.
Bounce the ball on the ground.
Seek. Seek out your hidden friends.
Seek out your hidden friends.
Hide. Hide and seek is a fun game.
Hide and seek is a fun game.
Pat. Pat the dog gently.
Pat the dog gently.
Trace. Trace the shapes with a pencil.
Trace the shapes with a pencil.
Count. Count the stars in the sky.
Count the stars in the sky.
Throw. Throw the ball to your friend.
Throw the ball to your friend.
Fly. Pretend to fly like an airplane.
Pretend to fly like an airplane.
Match. Match the pairs of socks.
Match the pairs of socks.
Run. Let's run around the park.
Let's run around the park.
Jump. Can you jump over the puddle?
Can you jump over the puddle?
Clap. Clap your hands to the beat.
Clap your hands to the beat. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.